How to convert currency. First of all, go ahead and open up the calculator app on your phone. The iPhone features a built-in calculator app for basic and scientific calculations, accessible by tapping the app icon, which is often found in the Utilities folder or by searching. To unlock scientific mode with advanced functions, rotate your iPhone to landscape orientation with the portrait lock disabled. Once you're here, go to the bottom left corner and tap on the calculator icon. Then, turn on the Convert feature as shown. Tap on the currency and then select the currency that you want from the options. For example, AUD. You can also change the currency that you want to convert it to. After that, type in the number. As you can see, it automatically converts to the currency you chose. Following these steps, you can easily convert currency. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.